What's the meaning of apparent magnitude? Apparent magnitude. Apparent magnitude.
Apparent magnitude. Apparent magnitude. Apparent magnitude is a measure of the brightness of a celestial object as observed from Earth. It is based on the object's flux, or energy output, as well as its distance from Earth. The lower the apparent magnitude, the brighter the object appears in the sky. The scale is logarithmic and an increase in 5 magnitudes corresponds to a decrease in brightness by a factor of 100. Therefore, an object with an apparent magnitude of 1 is 100 times brighter than one with an apparent magnitude of 6.